Hi there, welcome to 357 Howland Avenue. Located in one of Toronto's most desirable neighborhoods, this impressive, completely renovated, detached annex home is a masterpiece of modern elegance and sophistication. A complete custom renovation from top to bottom, this home boasts outstanding quality and attention to detail, including cherrywood floors, Douglas fir cabinetry, a wood-burning fireplace, and a luxurious two-car garage. So come on inside with me and let's take a look. The main level showcases an ideal open concept layout. The spectacular chef's kitchen is complete with custom cabinetry, Caesarstone countertops, a 5-burner gas range, and a large island with a breakfast bar. It conveniently overlooks the chic living room and front garden. The well-designed dining room is perfect for entertaining or everyday living, as it flows seamlessly into the family room, which boasts a modern wood-burning fireplace and walkout to the beautifully landscaped backyard. The impressive, newly constructed two-car garage features a modern sliding glass door that lets in plenty of natural light, making it an easy conversion to a studio or office space. The second level includes 3 large bedrooms, each with ample closet space. The luxurious primary bedroom is complete with a walk-in closet and gorgeous built-in Douglas fir cabinetry. A 4-piece spa-style bathroom features a soaker tub and an oversized walk-in shower. The lower level features high ceilings and an excellent layout that meets the functional needs of any homeowner. The convenient separate entrance has a mudroom with heated floors, which connects to a large recreation room that is perfect as a children's play area, gym, or multimedia room. The lower level also features a beautiful 3-piece bathroom and a laundry room with custom shelving, both with heated floors. 357 Howland Avenue is located in one of Toronto's most sought-after neighborhoods. It's just steps away from the trendy restaurants and shops on Bathurst, Dupont, and Bloor Streets, and a quick walk to the Dupont and Bathurst subway stations. This impressive property truly offers an uncompromising and idyllic Toronto lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.